Hi, I'm Nate.
I'm Peira.
We're the co-founders of the Brooklyn Music Factory. I feel so fortunate every day that I'm at the factory connecting with you. I'm sitting on the main stage, which is probably my most comfortable zone to teach from. This is where the kids come in. I try to drag anyone, parents, kids, anyone over here to play drums with me. And while we're paused for lessons and classes, I am gonna miss that so much. We're in a time that's like incredibly uncertain. And we know that your kids come in and oftentimes, most of the time, it's a joyful music making experience. But we've had plenty of kids that come through life with other like anxiety, and they lean on us. This is a time where we are mentors to them, and we really value that.
Yeah, this morning my daughter was saying to me, what am I going to do when schools close? She said, I'm going to be so bored. She said those exact words. She said, I'm going to be so bored. And, you know, beyond just entertaining our kids, kids, you know, when kids are uprooted in this way, it's really unsettling for them.
Yeah. And
to lose their routine, to lose their social connections, to lose their points of light and those touch points in their week, it really impacts them in a huge way. And my daughter takes drum lessons here, and knowing that she could have the opportunity to connect with her teacher, even in a virtual way, is going to be so meaningful to her, just to see that he's out there still, that he's smiling still, that she still has this thing that happens every Thursday at 3 o'clock, that life is still moving forward in that way. And then on top of that, to have that be a musical experience, and the emotional impact that has on her, and the connection that will make for her is just super valuable.
I mean, I feel like we're still trying to discover how we can be the most helpful to you. And that's our goal. We know what we do really well. We play great music games, we write speed songs, we inspire kids to just build confidence in their creativity. But in this is like an incredibly unique time. So please, just let us know, how can we be the most helpful to you given what we do? We would love to be a part of helping your family through this time in any way we can.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks.